So big day today, 7 AM, day 6. The aim is for 98 miles today. What do you reckon, coach?
Yeah. He who dares wins, Rodney. What is?
What do you reckon, Nick?
Yeah. Got to put the effort in, haven't we?
They're all loaded. We've got a bit of cooling out there. There you go, So 98 mile. Get it done. So it looks like I got a little snail coming for the ride. We're heading to Tours today. So back on the road again. Just left the camp. Heading to Tours. And don't worry, I left the snail behind.
Crossing the river again in a minute.
We come across a bit of a snag here now.
We're going to get around that. We'll have to just go back all the way. Fuck's sake. Well, have fucking shoes and socks off, push it through. It's not. It's only probably going to be.
Taking the fucking shoes off.
Half a mile.
Half a mile?
Yeah.
What, plugging in the swamp?
Well, my feet are wet anyway now.
Yeah.
Just stopped for a little stage show.
He's been waiting to get his.
So we are 31 miles in the bag this morning. It's 10 o'clock, or just after, about 10:15, isn't it? And we just stopped for a coffee at this little town. So we've had to come off onto the roads a bit for some of it because the cycle path is flooded from this river. So 40 mile in, Phil.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, isn't it? And it's only now, what time is it?
20 to 12.
20 to 12.
Fucking ride like that. Not too long.
Okay, amigos. Hey, muchachos.
The Three Amigos!
Muchachos. Hey. Hey, gringo.
Which is the way to Geneva! We have contraband! Hopefully they don't hold this at customs.
Down to the home, loading up and trucking. We gon' do the best we can be done. We've got a long way to go and a short time to
DJ Thomas. DJ Newen is retired. It's now DJ Thomas. We got a long way to go. We get it. We got a convoy, Phil.
Don't care.
Trucking on through the night, taking up a big convoy. Come on, sing along, please. Convoy. Make it up.
Convoy. Break for one line. Come on.
That was in the wrong gear. How does that work? Hi boys!
Hola, buenos días. Café con leche. Ah, that was boring.
So this is the morning of day number 7. We got here last night, a place called Tours in France. Here's the boys all getting ready.
Ready? We're born ready.
And where are we heading to stay on day 7?
Verzon. Don't know where it is, not on the river, off the track. Slightly different tact this morning, not following the river. Bit of a change.
And it's 71 mile.
Which is easy for us, hardcore off-pisters. We come in, put bags on ourselves.
Right, so day number 7. Here we go.